What's cracking, Jump Nation? It's your boy Hiroshi. Yes. Do I need to do that in the vlog? Right guys, so welcome to the vlog. Today is going to be a slightly different video to my usual. Normally you guys know me for my tutorials and everything else, but I want to put out this vlog. It's been a long time since I've done one, so it's going to be a little rusty. It is Saturday the 20th of January, the weekend. Love the weekend. I've had a nice little lie-in. The week has just been absolutely mental. So much work. I've been working 20-hour days in the office and then coming back, smashing out the orders. We've got so much going on, and I've just received this bad boy, so I'm going to take you through what's in here a little bit later on. And we're just going to take it as it goes, guys. We're going to be raw, we're going to keep it natural, we're going to enjoy this breakfast, and I'm going to see you in the next clip. Peace. Right folks, so I need to go get this haircut. There's a couple of pictures I need to take for a brand who have sent me some stuff, which again I'll be revealing soon. But the purpose of today's video is really just to show you what I get up to in a day, kind of typical day when I'm not working in my 9 to 6 office job. So loads of things happening today, so I thought it's a perfect excuse or perfect opportunity to show you the kind of behind the scenes and the vlog aspect of it, so it's just natural and raw. And let you guys a little bit more into my life. You guys always get to see the kind of fun stuff, the tutorials, I get to teach you some stuff. And yeah, we're just going to show you how it is, how it's being done in the background. I'm going to get this haircut, I'm going to come back and we're going to do some work. Haircut done. About to go home. So what I got done, I got my beard done. Doesn't really grow very well, and I've done the sides, as you can see, kind of 0.5. The top is long. Kind of having a bit of a mare with my hair. Does that even make sense? Ready for today. So today actually we're gonna do a quick little photo shoot for this brand. So this brand has sent me some product and I want to take some pictures for my Instagram, so we're going to go and do that now. Then I've got to do a tutorial for you guys and I'm going to show you how we get that done. Right, so let's get out of here and let's get the day moving. Whoa, I didn't even mention today just how nice the day is today. It's actually freezing, of course, because we're London and it's January and it's always cold, always raining. But today is very nice. It's so sunny, it's fresh, feels fresh, like my hair. What do you reckon? So we've got some Amazon parcels to take care of here, and just look at all these boxes. Literally the house is just, this is it right now. Boxes. Right guys, so I wanted to show you this. I've been absolutely stoked. Actually, you know what, let me just get it out. I've teamed up with Movement watches. So these guys are an absolute amazing brand based in US, guys. A personal brand set up by two guys, and they've also sent me a nice little strap. But I've been absolutely stoked to mention this and to kind of talk about it. So they contacted me and asked if I'd want to team up with them, and to be honest with you, I would bite their hands off if I could, because this brand, I've been following them for such a long time. A lot of the guys who have inspired me to start YouTube, to start my fitness journey, guys like Christian Guzman, if you know him already, the Alpha Elite crew, they have been affiliated with Movement Watches for quite a while now. So I chose the Voyager Slate. Let me get this one out for you. So check that out, let's get it in focus. So there it is. I need to take this little piece of plastic off in a minute. You can see the detail in the box, the watch, yeah, every little thing, every little detail is just nice. Such a cool brand. Yes, I'm so excited, guys. You know, again, you guys are helping me grow this channel. You're helping me to grow this movement. We are taking cardio by storm. You know, I've seen so many videos on Instagram, so many people now tagging me. It's insane, the sort of skills that I'm seeing right now across the world, and you're helping me grow this movement, and you're giving me this opportunity for brands like Movement to get in contact with me and to send me products. And I'm hoping to work with brands like this, guys, because a lot of people out there are pushing things that they don't really believe in, and they're getting paid for it and all that type of stuff. I'm not getting paid. It's just a case of they've just sent me some stuff, some gear, and they've said to me, you know, if you like this sort of stuff, you can promote it. And they've also given me a discount code for all of you guys out there. So if you want to get involved with movement watches, check out their website, but you can also use my discount code, which is Rush Athletics 15. That will get you some discount. We are back now in the studio. There we have Shannon Billy, footballer for Palace, Crystal Palace FC girls. We've got GG Athletics taking the pictures. We're just getting some product shots for the hoodie to go on social media, hopefully this weekend. And just to let you guys know, we're gonna be showing these. We're gonna be releasing these in women's sizes and also youth sizes. So youth sizes will be 10 to 12, kind of small boys, and then we've also got lady sizing going from extra small to kind of medium. So in UK size, I'm not sure how it works in the US, but in UK sizing it will be pretty much from 8 to 10, then you've got 10 to 12, and then we've got kind of the bigger sizes as well. Going upwards, you can then start to use the men's sizes if you wish. But we're getting some pictures up to make sure you guys know what it looks like, to see what the fit's like. Shannon, you'll see in a minute, she is around 5'8", 5'9", quite a tall girl, quite slim, and she's wearing the small hoodie. And let's go check it out now anyway. I'm gonna stop talking for a little bit. 5'9", so you've got the curved hem. Hopefully you can see it there. And then you've got small branding across top left chest and a little zip. Zip for the hands. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's our first ladies apparel that we're bringing out. Gigi's wearing the small as well. So she's slightly shorter, 5'2", babe?
I don't know, pocket size.
The men, I'm wearing the medium. This is going to be about 38 to 40 chest. And it kind of fits me all right. I'm 6'1", so quite a tall guy still. My chest is quite small. But we're gonna go from small to extra large in the men's. And then we've also got, like I said, youth sizes for young boys, young girls. And I'm posting those up on my social media as well. So you're gonna see a couple of youngsters rocking the brand there. So this is the iconic spot that you guys see my tutorials in. But I might do it inside today. I'm just setting up the mats just here. Got the spotlight here. We're gonna position the camera about here. So we're gonna get it. We're gonna make you a tutorial. I'm trying to figure out whether or not to go with the side swing tutorial or it's going to be a variation of different types of boxer steps. So just filmed the tutorial outside. Wanted to get in the gym, and in the end I decided against it and went in the rain. The missus smashed it up as always and we got it done. I actually ended up doing a footwork tutorial today, my variations or my different variations of my best footwork drills, boxer steps, etc. And we're going to get down to editing now. So I currently use Final Cut Pro on my iMac. Pretty simple, quite straightforward to use. I would recommend it to anyone starting up. But we've got a couple of hours to get this done, and then I need to make sure I get started on orders, packaging. Got the ropes here. Got a ton of orders to get through today, and I need to get to the post office ASAP tonight, make sure that I get it out for the weekend, so that it's with you guys very shortly. Whew, out of breath, quite tired, but we're gonna get it done. Finally made it, just in the nick of time. Right, so all done, bags have gone, just made it in the nick of time. Pleased with that. It has got cold today. There was me talking about how nice and bright and sunny it was today, and I'm freezing. Tomorrow I'm gonna relax a little bit and then we'll start work again. So it's ready for Monday, but now kind of work wise I can take a little chill. I've got the picture done for movement, that's on my social media right now, and I just got thinking to myself, and I wanted to just share something with you guys. A lot of you out there who, you know, are wondering how do you get affiliated with a brand, or how do you get a brand to sponsor you. Just wanted to kind of share my experiences with you, and also kind of from both sides of the table. I've been lucky enough to not only be someone chasing to get a sponsorship or get affiliated with a company, but now also that I have my brand as well, that I am also getting people contacting me, and they're on the same position that I was a couple of years ago, so I can kind of give both sides of the experience to you and let you know what you guys could do to help you, you know, achieve that kind of aspiration, achieve that company that you want, or that brand, to start some new products and things like that. So two things, guys. So when I first started in this kind of venture and trying to get into the jump rope and kind of world and everything else, the first thing I did, guys, was I had to perfect my craft. I had to perfect my skills. I highly recommend that you become brilliant at what you're doing. If you're asking for something, or if you're asking to get connected with a brand who's worldwide, etc., make sure you are brilliant at what you do. Make sure you are one of the best at what you do, or you bring something different to the table. I approached a couple of companies who provided skipping ropes, who created skipping ropes, and I was lucky enough to get products sent to me, and that's how I first kind of got my first affiliation with companies. It was nothing massive. I wasn't getting paid. I just had a discount code, and it just helped me boost my profile when I was leading up to my own personal brand. It was just kind of that stamp of approval to say that, okay, another big company is supporting me, like giving me product. So that was one of the first things I did. But I went out there and I followed that company. I loved them. I liked them. I liked what they did. So I wanted to make sure that as soon as I got the product, I was happy to then promote it. Not only was I following their socials, I was messaging them, I was direct messaging them, I was emailing them, I was showing them my support. And that's the first thing I want to let you guys know, is that if you're chasing a brand, or if you're looking to get affiliated with a brand, show the support, guys. Show them that you care, show them that you are into them. Just for example, I've had a few guys come up to me recently on my direct messages, on my DMs, and they're just like, oh, send me a rope, I'll push it out there, my followers will love it. And it's kind of direct, you know. It's a case of just, okay, they might have a big profile and they might be a cool personality, but I don't really see that. All they're saying to me is just send me a rope for free, and they're not really, you know, just getting to know me, and I'm not getting to know them. I don't really prefer it like that way. I've given ropes out to free to people. In my instance, I've given product free to people where they've been a long time follower for me, or the long time supporter. They've been messaging me, they've been showing some sort of support, some positive vibes around my channel, around my socials, and I'm more inclined to actually go to them direct and say to them, listen, I want to send you some stuff, how do you feel about it? So that's one kind of advice I'll give you guys, is just make sure you know who you want to chase, who you want to go after, who you want to represent. When you do get their product, that you're happy to represent them, but be great at what you do, guys, and make sure that you follow and you build that relationship with them. Yeah, I'm just making a move now, mate. Cheers. Making sure I get out of this place early. If you're gonna get into skipping, if you're gonna promote my rope, if you're gonna promote anyone's rope, become one of the best and just perfect that craft. And not only that, just come to me, show me some positive vibes, let me know why you like the brand, why you'd love to represent it. And those are the type of messages that I love reading, guys. Those are the type of messages that I'm gonna always reply to. So I hope you guys can take something away from that, a little bit of advice. I'm not an expert, again, in this field. I don't have many brands sending me stuff, and that's fine. I myself now have the ability to start sending product to people, and that's just what I love about this venture so far, is that now I'm on the other side of the table and I want to support people. I want to make sure that people can support my brand, and it's just a big collaboration in that sense. So hope that's useful. Yeah, get in touch if you are the person that I need to be speaking to, and you're watching this right now and you believe that you should be using the money rope, you should be getting product from me. Yeah, hit me up anytime. You've got all my details.